Now elders go talk, and then go talk say if you plan say you want to do something, now one day that day go come. Make you now use that one old body. Now last week I did tell you my bye-byes on top TinTinNi Tori. Still come promise to say another weekend go show again. Make I do use that one. They appreciate the Almighty God for the privilege we don't give to every one of us. See me for witness another beautiful weekend in good health and in sound mind. Today, the 17th day of August 2024. God, we don't preserve us, give us good health and sound mind. Baba, we appreciate you. Alright, country people, country family, as soon as don't sabi say now for here we go dey give you plenty informative of stories and matters we don't share from Monday go reach Friday, even till this very morning. Informative plenty, informative boku. If you don't ready, informate don't dey ready for now also. Make I use this one, they appreciate and celebrate all those people we don't sponsor us, we don't celebrate, they check on top our social media handles, they give us feedback, say okay, do them this way, do them that way. We thank you, we appreciate you. Make I also wish every single person where they do their wedding today, I dey wish you happy married life. God bless you in a marriage. My name never change. My name now Ogunyemi Akimbusayo Baba Future. If you don't ready, plenty informative don't dey ready for now. May we do this one again. The very first informative of matter we don't share in the course of the week. Now inside Rwanda, this one carry us go. Them don't swear in Rwanda President Paul Kagame. Them swear in Paul Kagame for fourth term as Rwanda President after he win 99% of the votes for July election. While some hail Oga Kagame say him bring peace and stability for him country after the 1994 genocide, others don't accuse him say he dey run oppressive regime for the country where ordinary people dey fear to openly criticize him. Another one wey dey for here na inside Calabar, this one carry us go. Again, NYSC demobilize 54 unique fake graduates. May we hear the full story. The management of the National Youth Service Corps don't talk say he don't demobilize 54 illegally mobilized graduates of the University of Calabar to prevent the award of certificates of national service to unqualified people. Quick one, another informative where they for here now on top food crisis. Military don't deploy troops for north central farms. The defense headquarters don't talk say troops don't they deployed across farms for the northern parts of the country, especially for northwest and north central. According to the military high command, the deployment now to ensure the adequate protection of farmers from bandits, terrorists, and other criminal elements. Now on top TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future, the weekend edition. Now for them na state under another informative way for here na in talk say on top of the presidential jets, policemen detained come brutalize our top officials. Now we'll talk this one. Now Chinese firm. The management of one Chinese firm, Zhongchan Fucheng Industrial Investment Company Limited, don't talk say top officials na in police unlawfully detain and brutalize during contractual disagreement with the Ogun State government. The firm talk say the maltreatment na him compare to seek the seizure of Nigerian assets overseas. The last informative way for here now inside the exciting world of sport. Now this one carry us enter. Limits no day for Wetin I go achieve for Real Madrid. We talk this one now. Kylian Mbappe talk say limit no day for Wetin him and Real Madrid fit achieve together after him score on him debut against Atalanta to help the club win a record 6th UEFA Super Cup. The France captain been complete a long-awaited move years in the making when him joined Real in this summer after a trophy-laden spell for Paris Saint-Germain. Alright, now with that sports story, I go to say my bye-byes on top this weekend edition of TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future. You can still follow us on top all our social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube with the handle at Baba Future _on air. I believe you don't enjoy this one. Next weekend, we're going to bring you another one. Stay tuned. No comment for this that.